Hello, in this video we are talking about investment. Today we are talking about investment and the best investment which you can start just at the age of 18 with the minimum amount. Investment are most important these days to have the multiple assets of income. Today we are talking about trading #stock market. So thinking how to invest your money? Here I am to help you. There are many type of investments: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, certificates of deposits. Today we are talking how to invest in stocks and also an app called as Upstocks and the benefits of this app. Download the app through the link in the description box below to get the benefits of this app. I have been using this app for trading since last few months, and it is very easy to trade on this app because of its simple user interface, and it is very easy to understand the current market with the help of variety of charts it provides for tracking the stock market. Thinking how to start trading? Let me help you. It's very easy to start trading. You just need to create a trading account and a demat account. There are many broking firms such as Zerodha, Upstock, Angel Brokers. These are the discount brokers. All of them provide you with free demat account, but Upstock is the fastest growing and the highest rated broking firms in India. These are the benefits of Upstocks: good server, low brokerage charges, fast processing, and it is also the highest rated app. But what are the documents required to create a demat account? You just need these documents to create a demat account in Upstocks. Those are income proof, PAN card, a photo, a Aadhaar card, and a bank proof, and the specimen signature. Once you are done with the verification, you will receive a user ID and a password. Now you are ready to get in the world of trading. But there are certain rules you should always remember. If you don't follow these rules, then you are certain to lose all your money. The rules are money management, emotional control, greed, and fear of losing. If you keep these rules in mind, then you will grow rapidly. You can make a lot of profit on every investment which you make. By investing in stock, you can get highest returns. Always study the stocks in which you are about to invest. Don't invest blindly. Study the market and then choose the stock in which you want to invest. Investment is a must. Begin the investment at the earliest age. I am going to post a series of video on trading which is going to help you in understanding the stocks, studying the type of charts, terms related to trading, and how to monitor the stocks. So do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.